go ahead and claim your viral video because it's coming. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So I made a video on how going viral can ruin your channel if it's not done right. And I think I kind of scared some of y'all. So let me fix that real quick. Now, going viral is a good thing, but make sure it's the type of content that you wouldn't mind continuing to make. Because most of the time when a video goes viral, the viewers subscribe because they like that viral video. But if your regular content isn't about that, they may not click on it. So today we're speaking on a hot topic, and that's on the easiest way to go viral and what to do once you achieve that viral status. First, let's talk about what going viral really means. Now, going viral refers to a piece of content that gains a massive amount of views and engagement in a short period of time. Now, this can happen due to a variety of factors, including trends, emotions, or just going viral. Now, understanding these elements is key to creating content that resonates with a wider audience. First, find your niche. Viral content often comes from creators who have a clear focus or unique angle, whether it's comedy, tutorials, lifestyle, or something else. Lock in what makes you unique. This not only makes it easier to create content, but also attract viewers who are interested in what you have to say. Next, create relatable and shareable content. Think about the videos that you share with your family and friends. What makes them special? Focus on emotions, humor, or universal experiences that people can relate to. Remember, content that resonates with people is more likely to be shared, which increases your chances of going viral. You can also leverage trends. Keep an eye on current trends, challenges, or hashtags that are popular on the platform like TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. Create your own twist on these trends and incorporate them into your content. Now let's talk about optimization. Your title and thumbnails are your first impression. Make sure your title is intriguing and including keywords that people are searching for. Also use eye-catching thumbnails that spark curiosity. Now, a great thumbnail can drastically increase your click-through rate, leading to more views. Also, promote your content. Don't just post your video and hope for the best. Share it across all your social media platforms. Engage with communities that's relevant to your content, and consider reaching out to influencers or other creators for collaboration. The more eyes on your videos, the higher the chances of it going viral. Now let's flip the script. What do you do when your content goes viral? First, don't panic. The key is to capitalize on the momentum. Start by engaging with your new audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage them to subscribe. This will help build a loyal community around your channel. Next, create follow-up content. If a particular video resonates well, think about how you can expand on that topic or create a series around. This keeps new audiences engaged and coming back for more. You can also create related content that builds on the viral videos theme. Lastly, analyze your success. Use YouTube analytics to understand what worked. Look at your metrics like your watch time, your audience retention, and your traffic sources. This data will help you refine your content strategy moving forward, allowing you to replicate your success in future videos. So like I said, guys, I wasn't trying to scare you. I was just letting you know that sometimes that happens, guys. Like I've literally saw a video where the person was creating one type of content for years, decided to do one little video and it went viral and it blew up. But they were so stressed out because that's not what their channel is built on. So they were trying to make content like the viral video and they got burned out, and it was showing through the content. That's all I was trying to say. I wasn't trying to scare y'all. When I read that comment, I laughed so loud. I said, oh no, I'm not trying to scare my people. I'm not trying to scare y'all. But no, real talk, guys. Like, sometimes I even want to make different type of content on my channel, but I'm kind of scared. I'm like, okay, I speak on information. I feel like if I speak on something else or do something else, then that might pop off, and that's not what I do. And so my regular audience is gonna be like, Sin, what is this? That's not what you do. And my loyalty is to y'all. So I can't be out here just making content that went viral and then start doing content like that. Y'all gonna be like, Sin, that's not what you're supposed to be doing over here, Sin. Make a whole new channel for that. So I wasn't trying to scare y'all. I'm just letting y'all know. I'm not saying you can't do it, because What if you do decide to change your content up, it goes viral, and you like what you're doing, you like that viral type of content, then baby, that's a win-win for you. You can't go wrong. I wish all of us the best. I wish all of us would find that one video that goes viral, views pop off, subscribers are good, and then we can keep the momentum from there. Like, I feel like once we all get that one video that sparks up for us and our name is out there, our face, our thumbnails is all over the place. Every time somebody get on YouTube, they see us. I feel like once we get that going, we can keep it up, but it has to be on the type of content that you're already making, so you won't feel burned out and just be making content trying to do something. So like I said, girl, I wasn't trying to scare you, honey. Y'all know I love y'all. So before I end this video, I would like to say this, guys. Your titles. I know I speak on thumbnails. Thumbnails is very important because to me, that's what gets your video clicked on. But more importantly, your title. Okay, a lot of videos that went viral either had a curiosity thumbnail or the title made them want to click on it because it seemed like, oh, this is curious. Like, I want to know what this is about from the title. So let me tell y'all, try to tweak your titles just a little bit, guys, and see if that works. I'm not just saying do that for a viral video. I'm saying try that on your videos from this point forward. I have been trying things out. I have been tweaking my titles just a little bit to see if it'll help grow my audience and see if it'll help get my click-through rate up. And it's really, really working, guys. Try to put a little curiosity in your titles. If you're not good with that, go on Google Trends or try these different apps that'll make titles for you. Try AI chat or something like that. But try to tweak your titles just a little bit. Like, literally, guys, think about what makes you click on a video. Is it the thumbnail, or is it the title, or is it both? What makes you want to click? So then go by that. Is it the thumbnail? Then boost your thumbnail up. Is it the title? Go crazy on the title. Now, that title is really working now. It used to be like the thumbnail was the biggest thing of all, but now it's the titles, guys. So try to get in there. I know Google Trends is one that'll help you with titles, it'll help you with content ideas. Try these little apps, AI. Try it, guys, and see how it works for you. I hope that you guys are still doing your 30-day trends because, yes, I'm doing my 30-day trend. I'm trying now. I'm going to try to do a 30-day trend, but I really want you guys to do the 30-day trend, and that is posting every day for 30 days, and let's see how your subscriber count grows and your views and your watch time. I promise you, if you post for 30 days straight, you will see a difference. I'm not saying it'll be a drastic difference, but you will see a difference, guys. You will. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Cyn is out.